Cassidy Scott. I'm a 68 Whiskey in the Louisiana Army National Guard. I chose the National Guard because I wanted to be close to home and I wanted to start schooling, and then a recruiter came in and was like, hey, you can do these two things, and I was just like, that sounds like what I want to do. On a daily basis, I am a medic in the TMC here. I treat patients from the common cold to Afghan crud to like musculoskeletal from them working out too much in the gym or hurting themselves. We have to do a lot of paperwork, so we have to document everything. And I have to ask them all these questions about symptoms, how long they've been going on for, do they get better or worse. I became a medic because I love helping people and I wanted to, do something to help people, so here I am.